Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password in the Lloyds Banking Group. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.lloydsbankinggroup.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Lloyds Banking Group opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a menu bar. On that menu, click on the careers option. After you click on the careers option, you'll be guided to the career page. On this page, you'll have to scroll down and click on the start your job search option. Once you click on the start your job search option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in option, a menu or a form will appear on your screen. On the bottom of that form, you'll see the forgot your password option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the forgot your password option, a new form will appear on your screen. On this form, you'll have to fill in your email address here and then click on the reset password option. Once you click on the reset password option, and if you have filled in this email address correctly, a link or a code will be sent to your email address which will help you to reset your password on the Lloyds Banking Group. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Lloyds Banking Group. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.